I am Asad Siddiqui, working as Chief Financial Officer of International Industries Limited. International Industries Limited is the largest steel pipe manufacturing company in Pakistan. I am also the managing committee member of this company. We have a subsidiary in the name of International Steels Limited. We have an associated company, Pakistan Cables, and this is basically the group working under the Chuanai family. The company's turnover of International Industries is over 15 billion, whereas International Steels would cross about 20 billion in the next year. From the day when Oracle go live, we are getting the maximum benefits. We are trying to get as much as possible, and basically that's the cultural change we are bringing through the Oracle. It's a top tier ERP, adopted all the best practices, and we are trying to take the advantage of all those things. The first thing, which is really the core issue in our company, is the recovery from the debtors. We have brought a culture where the sales department is not coming to accounts or anyone else to ask about what is the balance of the debtors. Now everybody in the sales department have the BI. They can go on the computer and see the debtors related to him, what is the position, and how to send a reminder and how to get the recovery. And our debtors have been reduced, which were at that time was around 44 days equivalent, reduced to 34 days, and you take the action immediately before that buyer goes out of the market. So that is another advantage that you need not to provide. So those provisions have also been reduced. The other advantage we got is about the inventory. Now even the sales department as well as the inventory management staff can view the inventory live directly on his computer at the time of ordering or at the time of buying the stock. Ordering means the sales order. So he can view the finished goods inventory and book that inventory towards the order he received. So there is no need for him to call to the manufacturing or the other as they were doing previously when we were in the silos. On the other hand, even the data side, they used to come to accounts, and accounts was preparing those reports after 15 days or 10 days, or sometimes if the maximum earliest is 1 week. Now it is immediately when you credit the amount to the debtors that is available to the sales department, and when the truck goes out of the factory, that is also the recoverable amount is available to the sales department to follow it up and to recover as early as possible. That is reducing our financial cost. Similarly, in the store items, those are available on the computer to all the maintenance staff. They can see the levels, they can order, and that's how we are reducing our store cost as well as the raw material inventory, because even the CEO can see from his computer what is the present level of raw material, what is the range which is available, what type of raw material is in short, and when to order, and what is the projection even available in our Excels we transfer the sales data immediately in the Excel, and we can project the sales, and we can order that quantity of raw material. That's how we are factually speaking controlling our inventory as well as the store. The other thing is basically which we are expecting to get, though we are not I would say been able to get the advantage because it is very initial, and that is about the wastages. So now we have started analyzing the wastages through the Oracle because manufacturing has now been implemented, as well as the maintenance, because now we would be in a position to have the preventive maintenance. Otherwise it was not the data was not available on our data bank about the maintenance, the previous maintenance, when the part was bought and what was the life like this. These type of things is now available, and there is a change in culture as far as the maintenance is concerned also, because earlier they were not aware of the actual cost they are incurring on some specific project or specific. Now they can directly view that, so there is no need to come to the accounts, and if the CEO would ask them that what is their budget and what is their actual expenditure, they can immediately tell the CEO about the increase or the saving in the expenditures related to that department. Another thing which we were facing about the payroll, it was not linked, and usually the payroll was delayed and there were some mistakes usually happening. Now after implementing the payroll, which is connected with the accounts and everything, so there is no need of any entry or anything, and it's directly credited to the bank account. And factually speaking, there was no product available to the banks when we had our own customized payroll to directly link it with their bank account. After Oracle, they have the option. So now what we are doing, just only giving them a authority to debit or credit the same account, which happens in a minute time. That's how we are saving money as well, and the employees are very happy because they get salary on time. Those are the advantage. And another area where we were not very happy, or there was delay in analysis or something, that was the purchase department. So even the vendors list was not properly updated, and we were not aware of the last purchase price like that and the tender price like that. That all the informations are available on the computer in Oracle, especially, and we have a good internal control system. That is the best part of the Oracle, that we have the all standard internal controls. Nobody can rub. If there is a mistake, they would have to reverse it, and that would be recorded, and he would learn. If anything happens the wrong, what the accounts department do, basically they copy it and send it to him, so that he would learn that he would not repeat that mistake. That's how the training is going on all the time, and they are improving, and the data is online in the sense there is no delay, as well as there is no repetition. Earlier there were 2 or 3 people were entering the data at different times, and sometimes the results were, so now it is all on Oracle, which includes our balance sheet, purchase department, sales department, maintenance department, manufacturing. So end-to-end solution is there, and all the management are used to watching or just analyzing the BI. All information is available in the BI. Even the MD can see what is the level of the stock, what are the debtors position when the last invoice was sent to that debtor, and who is following it and who is not pursuing them. That's all available, and it is all documented. And fact, sometimes it was happening that everyone was blaming the other. Now it's not the case, because if he would say that it was not my mistake, we can show the screen to him so that it is yours. So that is another thing, that they are becoming efficient every day, and the internal controls are such that no purchase order can be taken out unless it has the purchase requisition, and it is online approvals, so no purchase order can go without the approval. Similarly, vouchers are all approved online. So these type of things are not only reducing the time but also the cost, and it is online. Before that we were able to compile the data and the profit and loss account, balance sheet, and present it to the MD by 11th, though we thought that we are efficient enough that we were making our accounts by 11th, but with the help of this Oracle we are in a position to reduce it to 4th or 5th, and we are thinking that by improving some other, I mean shift data like that, to enter immediately after the shift, that we would be able to get our profit and loss account on daily basis. Inshallah, we would reach to that level as well within a period of say 6 or 7 months. If you ask me the benefit, I would say it is very difficult to quantify it, because the people usually look into the amount they are spending on ERP. I would say that return on that investment is so high that it is very difficult for them to quantify or to think. It's a change management, it's a time, it's a discipline, all type of benefits, these standard practices, that all you can get by implementing Oracle. I can say you can get every solution of a business, because the business required good HR, and Oracle in fact educate, give training that what are the standard practices which you can adopt. And that's how we are bringing the cultural change in this company, not only improving the quality of the HR but also reducing the cost of the business.